What's up, everyone? It is Mitchell J, the Scaredy Cat Guide, and let's look at some crypto again. Honestly, there's not much to talk about with Bitcoin. I mean, things are quiet. We're kind of just where we were 24, 48 hours ago. You know, broke down, heading lower. Probably, most likely, may see a revisit of these April lows in the mid sixes. Got a little bounce the other day, and now we're going sideways. So who knows? Are we consolidating here, and we're going to make a push up and maybe try and get back above 8K, above these levels here? That would take us above 8K, or are we going to come down and test the April lows? We shall see. Litecoin, I mentioned that yesterday. Bounced off support, holding it so far. The question is, will it rally, or are we going to come down and possibly test and break? So right now you can see we have like this descending channel here. So it's trying to break out of it basically. So the question is, will it? I mean, it's kind of giving it a go right now. So we'll see. But I mean, it's not clean, but I draw that just to see that like it's obvious, we are making lower highs. We've come down, lower highs, and now we hit the 110 support. So it's like, all right, is this where it's going to change? Are we going to stop making lower highs and, possibly rally to make a higher high? So we'll see. But at least we have a nice clean foundation, exit, all that good stuff. I'm going to bring up EOS just because if you're not aware, their mainnet launch is coming up in basically 24 to 48 hours. That is basically what everyone's been waiting for. So essentially, if you have EOS tokens, hopefully you've registered them. I'll probably do a video talking about that tomorrow because if you haven't, that is no bueno. You need to have them registered, otherwise you're going to lose your tokens. Basically, almost like an option to have EOS coins, for lack of a better definition. So make sure you get them registered, or make sure you have them on an exchange that's doing it for you. But anyway, the reason I bring up EOS is because usually, when you have big things like this, launches, whatnot, and just like with stocks, when you have a big event coming up, there's a lot of times it's, buy the rumor, sell the news, as in the price rallies into the event and then sells off on the event. Well, we're not really getting that. We had a nice big rally. It looked like we were rallying into the event, and then we sold off now for a couple weeks right before. So it'll be interesting to see how prices react when the main launch happens in the next day or two. I was really hoping we'd be like pushing highs, and I could take some off and then keep a core position for the long term. So I have essentially equity in the EOS environment, the EOS platform. Also, there's a lot of airdrops scheduled with EOS. So if you own EOS, you're going to get those coins. I forget how many exactly are scheduled. There's a few scheduled already, though, for June. So who doesn't like free coins? Anyway, outside of that, I mean, crypto right now is just the price action is just kind of blah. You can see like Bitcoin's kind of doing nothing. Litecoin found the support. Heck, I mean, even EOS with all the buzz going on around it is doing a whole lot of nothing the last week, just going sideways. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum, same thing. I mean, we're kind of in the middle of nowhere. 500 again, like I said, it's the next downside target. Upside is obviously this prior support at 680. So I'm just chilling, being patient. I'm looking to see how the EOS thing plays out over the next 48 hours. I'm looking to see if Bitcoin decides to make a freaking move and push down to these lows, or try and create some positive price action by getting back above 8K. As usual, we have to wait and see, and act accordingly. Know your price points, act accordingly, like I always say. So we'll see what happens towards the end of the week, and I will see you on the next video. I will put a link in the video notes for the free crypto training materials. Feel free to grab those and get your learn on. All right, I'll see you in the next one.